Yo, I literally think that FedEx just delivered my freaking package that I've been waiting for almost 2 weeks. Motorsport.com, they dropped the ball on this one twice. I originally had ordered, damn, what is wrong with this thing? Oh man, this thing's coming out. I had originally ordered, let me turn this on. I had originally ordered some leather pants and a leather jacket along with my airbag system, and they ended up splitting up the order. The pants and the jacket were technically on back order, but they didn't have that listed on the site. They had it listed as in stock and ready to ship. So I got it all at the same time, and obviously that wasn't the case. So literally they just sent out my jacket and my pants like maybe like yesterday or so. So I'm like, damn man, this sucks, dude. Like, because I was kind of waiting for everything to kind of show up. I'm thinking it was all going to kind of show up at the same time. I got my helmet. I got my KYT helmet in, and right now I have it just sitting up because I had the Subaru and the Motorads put on there. So I wanted to let the Subaru at least cure for like 24 hours. It's been kind of like 8 o'clock last night. It was 12, or 7 o'clock last night. Yesterday it was 12 hours. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's been about 24 hours, right? It's been about 24 hours, but I think it's good to go now, so I can hook up the DJI to it and not have to worry about it falling off. But I still need to tether it, so I got to see if I have more tether locks so I can put a tether on there to be extra safe. I just want my shit to be safe. I'm tired of losing cameras, so haven't lost one with Motorads yet, so that's a good. Let's check and see what we got. Yes sir. What you doing, Brute? What you doing, Brute? What you doing, man? So looks like it's here. Looks like it's here. If you guys saw the pants that I had, these are the pants that I had got. They have some leather on it, but these are like the summertime pants. They're a little short, but not enough for me to try to send it back. They fit, they work. That's great, someone's honking their horn. But they fit, they work just fine. I'm gonna be working on I cleaned up this entire office, so I'm working on getting some type of rack system so I can put some of my stuff on it. Right now I have like some of the helmets. Got some of my helmets hung up right now. It's the old helmet. Then I had the other ones that you saw with mine and my son's helmet that he uses. So yeah, let's crack this bad boy open. Let's crack this open. Let me open up the window. I need some more light. I need more natural light. Some more natural light up in here. Oh, that looks good, man. That looks good. Yo, I'm so glad this came in, man. I'm so, holy crap. Let's see if I can throw this. Got the manual, charging cable. Look at this. Yeah, I'm actually surprised it didn't come in like some type of like plastic or like wrapped, honestly. Now, I'm really hoping I don't have to send this back. Seriously, I hope that it fits. That's clean. That is super, super clean. That looks so good. That looks so good. Lift to open. You got the whole pack in there. That is clean. You got the switch there. That is really, really nice. Yo, that is clean. You got the buttons there. You got one for race, street, and off-road. That's cool, man. That is cool. That's dope. So I got the large, and I'm hoping that the large just fits. I don't want to send this back. It took so long to get here. I don't want to go through this process of sending it all back. So far, getting the sleeves on feels fine. I do believe it's a little small. Not really. It actually fits just fine with the t-shirt. So, it really fits good. This is just with a t-shirt. Like, it's not tight around my arms at all, and it goes over my biceps. Damn, this is crazy. It literally just feels kind of like you're wearing a, like you go to the gym and you're just wearing like a compression shirt. That's literally what it feels like, but It doesn't feel super tight, but it definitely it fits fine. And this is right over my T, which is how I would be riding. So literally just throwing my jacket over this and you're good to go. Like, this is crazy, super comfortable. You got the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw on my hoodie over this to see how it actually feels. That's dope that the Pocket 3 is literally just following me. After all that, it's still tracking me. Shit. Boy, look at that. Yo, this is the first time I figure out how to do this. But look, that's how it looks with the hoodie on. This is how it looks with the hoodie on. And it doesn't look bulky at all, and it literally just feels pretty freaking comfortable. It's comfortable. It doesn't even feel, and this is a large hoodie, and it's going right over. It's either a large or extra large, but it feels super comfortable. Again, it just feels like I'm wearing like a gym compression shirt over it. Now, I definitely feel like, regardless, because it's like 100, because we're having 100-degree weather, like I was sweating not long ago just going outside to put the trash can back in. So here in San Antonio, it's hot. It's really hot right now, and it's really early. It's only like 10:30. So at the height of the day, around 1, it's probably going to be over 100 or about 100, about 95 to 100 degrees. So that's the hottest part of the day. The best time to ride is super early in the morning, but all the cars are out, people going to work, they're rushing, or around like 7:30, 8 o'clock. So yeah, this fits really good. The only thing I would say is that I would probably go maybe with an extra large if I was gonna gain weight. But since I'm trying to keep my weight down, it still has some waist room to grow. Damn, this feels good, man. The shoulders have airbag protection, the back, the front here. You just don't have impact protection like right under your abs. Where your abs are, there's no impact protection there. So you gotta definitely be careful, man. But yeah, coupling this with a leather jacket and pants, I think you'll be good to go. If this hoodie fits fine over it, then the jacket is gonna feel even better. So, man, super excited, man. It finally came in, dude. Literally, I haven't been riding all freaking week. Like, I haven't been riding all week because I just really wanted my gear to be super careful. Now, you know, so most of the pieces are here. The hoodie's here, or not the hoodie. The airbag system is here. The helmet is here. All we're missing now is the jacket and the pants. But I feel more comfortable now riding with some type of protection because, like I said, I had been kind of squidding it, and you know, minimum gear and with all the crap happening, it's just not worth it. You know what I'm saying? It's just not worth it. But definitely feels like this is going to boost the confidence. Like I said, that you're going to be a little bit more safe if you do go down. You're going to be a lot more safe if you do go down. But in cases of like super high impact, you know, it's probably not going to save you that much, but it's going to help. You know what I mean? I'd rather have an airbag system than not have one. Especially around here in San Antonio, it's bad. And when somebody hits you, they're probably going to run. So again, let me know how you guys think. I'm going to be doing my first ride impressions of this thing, obviously. And I'm super excited, man. I'm super excited. I'm glad that like I said, I've taken my motorcycle safety more serious than I was before, because like I said, man, I got a lot to lose, and it's not just your life, you know what I mean? You got people, I got people that I'm taking care of, and it's just important to be there for them and to know that I'm doing everything I can to be as safe as possible when I do go ride, because at the end of the day, I want to come back alive and relatively unscathed, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, hopefully this helps, and let's get it.